How to log into your Monzo Bank account on a new device. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is make sure that your Monzo account is logged out of your old phone. And then after making sure it is logged out, in here on your new phone, you would need to install this Monzo Bank mobile banking through your App Store or Play Store, then open the application. So after opening the application, all you need to do is simply add in all of the credentials in order to log in. Simply tap on I already have an account, then we'll get into the login page. From here, all you need to do is add in your email address, and then you can go along with the process of next, then add in all of then add in the password of your account and then log into your account, right? So in here, like I said, you can manually log in like that, but in here you can also log in with a QR code. If you simply tap on the option login with a QR code right now, and then from there, all you need to do is tap on I've got my QR code. Then you can simply tap on start camera, and then you can actually start scanning the QR code from your old phone in order to log into your account, right? So you can either like simply log in from your email address too. So like I said, if you want to log in manually, all you need to do is add in your email address, then tap on next, and then you can add in your password, then tap on login, and like that, simply log into your Monzo Bank account on your new device. So in here we did talk about the login with a QR code option. So if you do go along with that process, you actually would need to be logged into your old device, and from your old device you would need to get that QR from your account settings, right? So all you need to do is scan on that one in order to log in. So yeah, that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below.